Part 1.
Hello, Mr. Robert. This is us. My name is Denovan Christian Effendi.
My name is Christian Effendi.
And we're gonna do the midterm exam. Okay, for the first part is interview. I'm gonna ask Christian 2 questions. Are you ready, Christian?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, first the question is, what are the problems caused by dramatic population growth?
Okay. The problem first is no job vacancies. Because the more people, the more competition, and there are fewer and fewer job vacancies. So yeah, it make tight competition each people, and then the green open lands is getting less and less because it takes space to build a place to live.
Okay, that's great. For the second question is, what are your interests and hobbies? And do your interests and hobbies change as you grow older?
Yeah, my hobbies now is playing games, and I think when I'm getting older, the hobbies is change because for 10 years past when I'm uh, junior high school. When I'm junior high school, I often to play soccer with my friends, but when I'm senior high school, because of COVID, there is no extracurricular that have a soccer, so I just playing games with my friend, and it make it a hobby until now.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, now it's my turn to ask Denovan Christian Effendi. Okay, Denovan, what are your personal opinions on success and failure?
Okay, my personal opinion, in my opinion, success is when you have the chance to giving up, but you won't, and you keep going consistently, even if you know when you're at your lowest, but you're still going through it, and you believe that there's something that you got when you have passed through it. And failure for me is not about when you failed something or you cannot do something, but it's more like when you surrendering what you're doing, when you have the chance to success, to keep trying, but you stop to doing it, you quit from what you're doing that time. Okay, and last, I have quotes for success and failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. Instead, it is the part of the success.
Okay.
Denovan Christian Effendi.
Okay, next question. What do you do to stay fit every day?
Okay, to stay fit every day, I have a habit which I'm going to gym. I do many physical exercise like lifting weight or durability for myself, and at gym I mostly like to push weight and pull weight, but not like weight. Okay, and then when there's a time that I cannot go to gym, I will make a alternative to walk every night. Minimal is 5 kilometer. Why are you laughing? Okay, that's real.
Okay, this is part 2, and then I will describe about picture number 1. Okay, the picture shows a bunch of people protesting, and they are asking for better housing. They are holding signs and shouting slogans to make their point clear. They seem determined to get their message across. from the background, it seems that in America, and their expressions show, and their smile. So from their expression, I think the demonstration took peacefully.
Goes happily.
Yeah, they're peaceful. Okay, next, Denovan.
Langsung.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna describe the second picture, which it looks like in a classroom, and there is several students with a happy expression. Looks like they're enjoying their lesson, and we can look at a boy at the corner. He looks like he's forced to be smile, but he's truly not happy, but he is still forced. So his expression is confusing for me. Okay, and then it looks like in a classical classroom, which the background still made of wood, and there's many books, and as we can see, we cannot see the teacher. Maybe the teacher is taking the photo over there, and yeah, they're using colorful t-shirts and rainbow hair with enthusiast to study. Okay, that's all that I can describe.
Okay, this is part
Part
3.
three.
And the topic is how can people help protect the environment. Okay, the first topic is recycle.
Recycle.
What do you think about recycle? Can recycle protect the environment?
For me, of course, recycle by recycling product trash or something like that, we can save the environment because we're reducing the waste of trash. So we can reuse the trash with happily. Okay. That's
Yeah,
all from me.
I agree too about recycle can protect the environment because yeah the and I don't know what to say. Recycle, it means we reuse the item that we buy.
Throw.
Yeah, so it we can reduce the garbage that we throw. Yeah, so yeah, it can protect the environment. And then the next is use
Use
public
public
transportation. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, for me,
Because
helping.
when many people use public transportation, it reduce the private transportation. So the pollution that caused by the vehicle is getting less.
Yeah, I'm agree too with using public transportation because when we are using public transportation, it means we are reducing the use of private transportation, which can reduce the amount of air pollution in city or everywhere. Okay.
Okay, the next is buy organic products. Okay.
For me personally, I agree too with buying organic products because when we are buying organic products, it means we're supporting to use organic products and reducing the usement of unorganic products, which can broke the environment.
Okay, I agree because when you using organic products, it means it make the unorganic products is getting less, and unorganic products it is chemical, so it can have a bad impact for the environment. Okay, the next is use less water at home.
Using less water at home.
Use less water at home. I think maybe it can protect the environment, but it takes a little impact because use less water at home. I think it have a little impact because
It's conditional.
it's conditional. how much can you reduce your water using in your house. If you only reduce a glass of water, yeah, it's
It won't make a difference.
yeah. So yeah, it can protect the environment, but only have a little impact.
It's not that effective
Okay.
compared to another solution. Okay, the last one is replace old electronics and appliances.
Yeah, I disagree with that because
Yeah.
if you replace your old electronics and your appliance, maybe it make more items you need to throw in the garbage. So if you throw many garbage, it can have a bad impact on the environment.
Okay, for me, replacing electronics with something else is not a solution, because if we throw up our electronics, what we're gonna using? We're not gonna use stone to cut something or play with stone to happy. Okay, so electronic is important.
Okay.
Okay,
Hey.
for part 4, we're gonna talk about our experience with our ex.
So it's about our past relationship.
Our past relationship. Okay, I'm
What
gonna
a funny
start first.
question.
Yeah, maybe I'm gonna share. I broke up like a month ago. It's been a wonderful days when I wake up with a good morning chat, with a something that encouraged me to make me want to live my life. But until then, 14th of February 2023,
Wow, you
With-
still remember the date?
that's Valentine, bro. I broke up in
Oh.
Valentine. We've made a decision which make us no longer apart.
Yeah, but it's your decision, right?
It's our decision. We are broke up with very bad condition. We're crying, we're hugging each
Ah.
other, but we're talking with peacefully, with no emotion, with no anger. So yeah, that's our decision, and we're still trying to accept the reality that we have to separate our ways.
Ow, 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 ow. Okay, you're done?
What about you?
Okay, about my story. Yeah, maybe I will tell you guys about my first ex. Wow, my first ex.
When is it?
It's when I'm senior high school. Yeah.
Oh,
So
It's
we
like 6 years ago.
no senior high school.
Oh, senior high
Yeah,
school.
so it's like maybe 3 years
3
ago.
years ago.
3 years ago, we are broke up because she didn't have a permission to have a relationship with another guy.
It hurts more when it's decided by external.
Yeah, so it's not our decision to broke up, but yeah, until now we are still play together, and
No.
yeah, she already have a boyfriend and I'm still single.
but it's still that's good condition though.
Yeah, we are.
When you
we are,
guys still having a conversation with a good relation with. I mean, many people broke up with bad condition. They hating each other, but not for you.
Yeah, we are broke up peacefully. Yeah. We are still playing, and we are have a same church. So on Sunday we often to meet and talk each other. Yeah, so we are still fine, and she is my best friend.
Yeah. Okay, Sir Robert, I think that's all from us with all our might to explain our stories and our life lesson, and we thank you for your attention.
Yeah, we hope we get a good score for this exam, sir.
We are set boys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.